buddy Denny here. Tell you what, let's do some more work on that foliage, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. Alrighty, here we are. Let's continue on. Okay, we're just going to kick some grasses up here. Okay, and I've got the green, and I got a little bit of sienna in it, which is artist's talk for brown. Okay. And we're just going to move across here just like this. We're just going to push, and we're going to bring it right down to those rocks, just like that, okay? Right down to those rocks. I'm going to take the edge of the brush, the sharp edge, and I'm just going to scratch. Dryer, don't you run off. I know this kind of scares you, but it's all right. Pop's in control. Okay. Now, over here, for this leaf stuff, same thing. Same thing we did on the other side. Okay, just like that. Just exactly the same technique. We get all of these leaves in here, all of this foliage, and your brain reads this as foliage. And that is exactly what we're counting on. That the brain reads it as foliage, and when it says it's foliage, that is exactly what it is. Perfect. Okay, we punch a few little sticky-outy things here and there, like that. And we've got the major foliage part of this done. Alrighty, there we go. See there? See how easy that was? We can even clean the brush over here. Now, we've got the foliage in. Next time we'll do the rocks, and then we'll do the foreground out here. So until then, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, leave comments, hit the link, share, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. By golly, we got some more in. Be with me tomorrow. We'll tackle even more. Remember always that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.